Hi parents, just wanted to give you a quick overview of what the Stagecast creator software is that we use in our junior video game design camps at Classroom Antics. You're looking at the software right now. This is what the kids that are 7 to 9 years old will learn in junior video game design. You can create a sim. Sims are games, and what we show kids how to do is how to create characters and make them move around on the screen and interact with other characters, thus creating a game. So down at the bottom is some bars, some icons that we use to create our characters and rules. So you can click a character, put it in. We're making a simple green starfish as our character. We can go ahead and change what that character is by just getting a new character in our library, in our clip pictures, and we can pick a bee or a bird, or let's pick a bug-eye guy. He looks pretty cool. So here he is on the screen, and I'm going to show you how we can make him walk around on the screen. And we take a week showing the kids how to create these things, and they get really good at it and moving it around. So here's our character. He's now a bug-eyed guy, and this is a rule button. And what we do is we tell the character how it needs to move. And so if we want the character to move right, we can have it move right. This is the rule, and it wants to know how to make the character. Sorry, there it is. A keyboard stroke, and he is going to the right. So I'm going to press the right arrow key, and that is what's going to control him to move right. And then we can say done. Okay. And then we do the same thing for the character to go left. And to tell it to go left when we press the left arrow key. Done again. And then we also write a rule for the character to go up. And then we're also going to write a rule for the character to go down. Alright. And then once we're done, we're going to go ahead and play our game. When we're playing it, we can tell it's playing right now. This is to show it's playing and how fast it's playing. And then I'm going to use my arrow keys, and you can see I'm moving them around on the screen. Okay, pretty easy. I can also write a rule for another character to be on the screen and to move across the screen. So let's change what character that is. Let's say there's a fish or a fat dog. How about a fat dog? And we'll send the fat dog across the screen. And we're going to write a rule for the fat dog, and we're going to say he's going to move left. However, we're not going to tell it it's going to move left when we push an arrow key. It's just going to always move left. And when it goes off the screen, it wraps around to the other side. So let's play our game. You can see he's going really fast. We talked about how fast the game is, slow to fast. I can slow down the entire game by changing around these icons down here. So it seems about the right speed. And meanwhile, my arrow keys are still controlling my character, so I can move him around on the screen. Now this is a very, very simple movement, and this is just the basics of what we get into. But we'll create backgrounds and noises and screens to make our games become alive. But in the just intro, what we teach on the first day, I wanted to give you an idea of what kids are going to learn. So I hope this helps. If you have any questions, give us a phone call. Our phone number is 1-800-595-3776. And of course, you can always find us online at classroomantics.com. Thanks, parents.